Hi guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girl's Kitchen. Today we are going to be making a different variation of what I call like my energy balls. This is just a peanut butter. In my case it's soy nut, but you will obviously use peanut butter if you want to. And I do oatmeal and chocolate chips and honey, and to this I'm adding some crushed pretzels, and I'm telling you that bite makes all the difference. So without further ado, let's get started.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I don't know what I'd do without you. You make me smile, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added color.